That's him. That's the guy.
Your programming is being interrupted by the best.
Morning, Mr. Born.
The Lewitt girl. You're the girl from Lewitt. Hey! I did that video. I did the LCT 940. I did the video. Everybody liked it. They started subscribing. We got the viewers. You're supposed to send me the 1040. The LCT 1040. You're supposed to send me that.
Hey, shut up. Listen closely. You should be receiving a knock at your door. You'll find the contents for your next review in this box. Open it. Share it with your viewers. You'll be contacted in 48 hours once we've confirmed you've posted. You know what they say, Mr. Born? You can't open a bakery if the wolf travels north.
What? What's that even mean?
I'm sure you'll figure it out, Mr. Born. And you, don't forget to subscribe.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ZndBorn, Berkeley graduated, sound gem validated. Just woke up and I wanted to shoot this video for you because I got the package. Who knows what treasures the box contains. And I want to thank you again for watching this channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for supporting this channel. Your support helps me to continue to grow this channel and continue making videos for you guys about the gear that I love. I want to thank you again. Special thanks to Lewitt Audio for sending this through. So let's open up the box, see what's inside, and let's talk about it. So,
This podcast is not very good.
yeah, maybe we should call it the Sleep Podcast. Recently launched Lewitt Audio Connect 6. That's it. Gotta get a good thumbnail. Tommy. This is Lewitt Audio's first outing for an audio interface. This is futuristic. Super light interface. Any interface with a big knob. That's what she says. Listen, screensaver. Stop doing that. From a size standpoint, this is the Audient ID14. I have one of these as my mobile rig at the moment. This is about the width, the thickness. So it's a lot lighter. It's a lot lighter, a lot smaller, a lot thinner. And the connectivity on the back. Now let's talk connectivity. Let's talk the specs, because this is where this thing shines. This is a dual USB-C audio interface. Studio grade preamps, there's two with 72 dBs of gain. You don't need any boosters for those dynamic mics. Like this one, for instance, I use a Triton Hedd. But because of the powerful preamps on this thing, you won't need something like this. And a class-leading low noise floor of 133. There's no high Z input. Probably recommend using a DI box. Focus. You have your 1.4 TRS outputs, left and right, and you also have a 1/8 jack for something like your Beats by Dre, your Beats pill, which is what I have. We use the Beats pill for as a reference monitor, so don't write me in the comments. USB-C port for your mobile device. That's your cell phone, obviously. Let's thank Lewitt Audio for including the cables. That's a USB-C to A and a USB-C to C. It also includes their control center, where you can control the plugins for the DSP power. It comes with the EQ, expander, and compressor. Tons of routing options. 3 software channels, 1 loopback channel, 2 independent master mixes. An auxiliary input, which is awesome. USB-C port for your power supply, and a USB-C port to connect directly to your laptop or your computer. On the front panel, there are 2 headphone jacks, a 1/4 and a 1/8. Best part about it is the price point at $300. You cannot beat that for an audio interface in the year 2023. So those are the specs. Now, hold on, let me set this up. So I have a working theory. When you are in search for an audio interface, there's a couple things you look for. You start with the reputation of the company. Word of mouth, tenure, have you heard about the company, read any reviews? You kind of already know the names. If I find Mike, Neumann Mike, yeah, all right. It's not always 100% accurate, but it's a good place to start. So you go, Lewitt came out with an audio interface. Lewitt, yeah. Plethora of amazing microphones. Audio interface, microphones, audio interface, makes sense. You know, then you check your wallet. You watch a reputable YouTube channel's review on the trustworthy smile. Then you pull the trigger. It takes 20 seconds and you're off to the races. And even if that's not your process, you have to understand. This 2023, there's a standard out there now.
You're the last point of control.
Right.
So your standards are there. Their standards are there.
If you're an audio company and you're making audio interface in 2023, the technology is there. I don't think anybody that's a reputable company is making really garbage entry-level gear out there right now. So have some peace of mind. If you make a purchase like this, you can probably get the job done confidently. These are the top 3 ways that I'm going to be using this particular audio interface because of the connectivity. You're running a podcast from home. It's 2023. Turn on YouTube, turn on Spotify. There are podcasts out there. So that's easy. That's an easy one. This is another no-brainer. If you're an audio producer, you know how challenging it is to find the right sample. Plug your phone into the audio interface, and whatever audio is playing, you can record it into your DAW. You can record it into your Machina. You can record it into your MPC. And finally, for me, a really cool feature is that you can use it to stream to your favorite streaming sites like Twitch, YouTube, whatever streaming site that you use.
Let's say I want to switch.
Mama's making cookies.
Not only can I use
This is computer audio and the microphone from my cell phone streaming live. Computer audio and the microphone from my phone.
my 9000 console, I can do that.
Playing the audio from my YouTube channel directly.
Of different consoles, you can do that.
That's crazy. The workaround that I found for me is that you download an app that allows your phone's microphone to be used as a line out. You can route your computer audio and your mobile phone's audio. So if I ever want to launch a stream where I'm producing or I'm mixing, I can use that lossless quality audio with the microphone to run a quality stream using one device. It's not taxing on my primary system. It's really easy to set up and run a stream using just your phone and the Connect 6. This is a really simple video for me because I don't believe that there's no reason not to buy this. If you are in the market for an audio interface, it's kind of a no-brainer. It's light, it's portable, tons of connectivity, low noise floor, powerful preamps, powerful headphone outs. Amazing company, amazing audio interface. It's a match made in heaven. It's 2023. It is made for the content creator. All bias aside, I do think that they did an amazing job. So I switched some things out and now it's my primary audio interface. By the way, if you guys want me to start streaming, let me know in the comments because I do think that's a really cool way to give you guys some additional content. So if that's something that you want to see, let me know in the comments. So yeah, so thank you again, Lewitt, for sending that through. I'll get this posted right away. And
Programming is being interrupted by the best.
they hacked the recording of the
Good job, ZndBorn. We're great big fans of your channel. We'll definitely send you the LCD-X. This is video confirmation. We will do sincerely, Lewitt Audio.
Thank you. I'll just wait for the next package, the LCD-X. Thank you for confirming. Really, really thanks. Really thanks. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Boo, boo, I want to love you like a superstar.